Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to clear data on Instagram. It is very simple to do, so let's get started right now. So now the first thing you want to do is just to find out where your Instagram app is. On an iPhone, there is no place in settings that allows you to clear the cache or the data on your Instagram. So the only thing that you can do is uninstall the Instagram app and then you have to reinstall it. So hold down the Instagram app, and then you want to click the delete option or remove app right here. Then you'd want to click delete app from your screen. Once you have done that, all you would need to do is go back to the App Store and search up Instagram right here. I'm gonna go down. I'll just click open since it's still downloaded. All you can do is click download. Once it was installed, you want to log back into your account, and then the data would have been cleared. So I hope this video helps, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps with the channel a lot, and I will see you in